Michael here at drawingteachers.com. We're going to do the name Briana in graffiti letters. Do B-R-I-A-N-A. There we go. Now we'll go ahead and start to block this in. Just like a really big 3. Like that, with a stick back in here. Make that a little wider right there. Alright, now we'll do a stick for this part of the R. Give it a foot or a serif. And here we also have, it's not really a 3, but it's like the top of the B there. And we'll let this come up and kick out like that. And now, like that, give that a little angle, draw a little piece in there, give that a little angle. Restructure that piece so it's in the center of that. So for now, for the A's, we're going to let these A's be rounded on top. And we just need to draw like an upside down U. And we're going to draw a floating piece in the middle and some feet on that. This one's going to connect right over to the end. The end will have a stick going up, a stick going down, a stick going up. We'll give that a top. And let's give that one too. Let's give that a top too. And then another A, which is an upside down U. Piece floating in the middle. And a foot right there. And a foot right there. And there we have Briana. And see that little foot kicking off right there? I think we're going to make a little piece kick off the back of this. And let that extend down just a little more and kick down like that. Okay, let's go ahead and use our Sharpie to outline this. Big sweeping move right there. Big sweeping move right there. Have this come down and up. Sweep around. We're going to let that sweep down like that and sweep around, and we will let it connect right here. And we're just going to let that curve up and float, but let it connect to this back part like that. Alright, for the R, sweep around like that. Let that connect right there. Alright, now for the I, this is touching right here, but I'm not going to have that happen. I'm going to let it float above here, and then we're going to have a floating piece right in here. That's connecting, so we'll let that connect. We're just going to let that I float, and we're going to let this middle of the A and this middle of the A float. And here, this is just going to connect right over to the end. And we got the one letter A left. Letting that pinch right in there. And there we go. Let's clean that up with a kneaded eraser. And that kneaded eraser does a nice job. It's a stretchy rubber eraser that we've been using in our lessons. Alright, now had a lot of lessons using this hot pink, but we'll go ahead and use it here again. Okay, and now let's come in with some purple. And we'll do an inline on these letters in purple. And it just takes a few minutes to go around these letters. All right, excellent. Let's just add add some little crosses up in here. This decoration, stars and crosses and dots. And we can put a couple down in here too. And let's put a couple of sparkle stars around. Go out, down, side, side, diagonal, 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 moving out from the center. And since this is a sort of cosmic galaxy, we can add some galactic swirls and designs around here. And we're going to call that done.